Hey guys, welcome to a new video where I'm going to showcase another AI that you can use inside of your chatbots. Instead of OpenAI and ChatGPT, GoCharlie now has released its beta version to its own paying customers, and I was lucky enough to gain access. So I wanted to try this out, and I must say the output is pretty good. So what can GoCharlie help you create? The model that GoCharlie is based on, at least the API itself, is really focused on all kinds of marketing aspects for your business. So it can help you create content for your social media posts, tweets, website content, emails, and stuff like that. So that is the main focus where you can use GoCharlie's AI as a beta tester to basically see if it can help you directly inside your chatbot as well. So let's take a look at basically the output, right? So if we go inside the external request first, so we're going to call the AI of GoCharlie. You will see that this will be GoCharlie's AI, and you will need to also implement a certain API key, which I will not share at this moment because it's still in beta testing. But if we take a look at the body, it will look something like this. Inside the body we have a prompt, and the prompt will just contain the last text input. The model will be the model that GoCharlie is trained on currently, and that is Charlie Alpha 001. Then we have the temperature, the max length. So this was set to 100 or a low number at least, but I wanted to increase this. But let's make it around 300. Then we have a stop. We have a top P1. And we also have repetition penalties, and this is something that you can play around with. I just left the default settings except the max length as normal, and I just went and played around with the outputs. So let's have a look. Let's save this, let's publish this, and let's go inside of a web pop-up preview. So let's enlarge this a little bit, and we will get to ask a question. And there we go. What do you need help with today? Let's say I want to create a tweet about the advantages of AI, of adding AI to your business. Let's see what it comes up with. The output is pretty fast. So here you see that we already get a specific output, right? So unlocking the true potential of your business with AI, transform processes, streamline operations, and unlock new opportunities like never before. And then hashtag all business. So let's say I'm gonna try it again. And let's see if it also adds emojis. So I'm going to do this. And then also tell it to add fitting emojis. Let's see if we get the prompt correct, right? And here we have it. We already have some emojis added as well. So introducing AI is the future of business, and it can help you streamline your operations, increase efficiency, boost profitability, say goodbye to manual processes, and hello to seamless automations with AI technology. Hashtag all business, hashtag streamlined operations, hashtag maximize revenue. Let's try it one more time, and let's go with a blog outline instead. So write a blog outline about chatbot marketing and how it can help businesses worldwide. So let's see how long it takes for GoCharlie to produce an outline, and it's already coming back, right? So it's really fast. It's almost faster, maybe even faster than the ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. So here we already have it. So we have an introduction and then a brief overview of chatbot marketing and its potential impact on businesses worldwide. And then B is the importance of leveraging the power of AI in business communications. And then C is an overview of how chatbots can help companies improve their customer service, increase engagement with customers, and drive revenue growth. So you can see that the output is blazing fast, right? So this is for a chatbot, an integration with chatbots, it's really, really important. So I am going to experiment a little bit more with this specific feature, but as you can see, it's really easy to integrate GoCharlie's API with your chatbot. So if you're not a user yourself, I will leave a link down in the video description where you can check out GoCharlie and see what kind of platform it is and how we can help you drive more revenue for your business. For now, have a great day, take care, and talk to you really, really soon.